Hello, friends. Welcome to Little Lights with Kiran. Can you guess what today's story is about and what special lesson it brings for us? Let's find out together.
Forrest and the Dolphins. Once upon a time, there was a gentle golden retriever named Forrest. She was a kind and caring service dog who loved helping her best friend Ashton, a clever Labrador. Forrest and Ashton did everything together, walking in the park, helping people, and spreading smiles wherever they went. One bright afternoon, their owner took them to the big aquarium. As Forrest and Ashton walked past a giant glass tank, something magical happened. Two dolphins swam right up to greet them. The dolphins twirled and squeaked with joy. Forrest wagged her tail gently while Ashton tilted her head curiously. Even though dogs lived on land and dolphins lived in the sea, the four new friends understood each other's hearts. Everyone watching was amazed. The dogs didn't bark or scratch at the glass. Instead, they stayed calm and kind. The dolphins responded by swimming in circles and splashing playfully, happy to make new friends. That day, the crowd learned something special. Friendship isn't about being the same, it's about kindness, patience, and respect. And from that moment on, people remembered the magical day when Forrest, Ashton, and two dolphins showed the world the power of gentle friendship. Moral of the story: true friends may look different, but they always treat each other with kindness.